Yeah, I'm Rich Brian.
And I'm Joji.
Last summer, we became master chefs at the 88 Rising Summer Mansion.
And this year, we're teaming up with even more chefs and special guests and asking a few of our 88 Rising label mates to help us out.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
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 Yo, what's good, y'all? This is Dumbfoundead.
This is Melo from the Higher Brothers.
And today we're taking over Feast Mansion for First We Feast.
I come from Chengdu, China.
Okay.
And one of my favorite things is hot pot.
Ooh, I love hot pot.
And everybody in my city love hot pot. It's spicy and delicious. But we can't do that. We are two rappers. we need some help. Maybe we should call Jenny. Yo, Jenny, we need some help. Come on, Jenny.
Hey guys,
how you doing?
what's up?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, hey.
I know you're from Chengdu. I'm also from Chengdu. What's your favorite hot pot restaurant in Chengdu?
Favorite restaurant? Maybe the name Dalong. Big
Dalong,
Dragon.
yeah. I know
Is
that
that like a famous spot?
Yeah.
Very famous.
And there's a
Yeah.
lot of hot pot restaurants in Chengdu.
There are, I think it's like,
Over 1,000?
no, like 8,000.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, like
Oh my gosh.
Chengdu is crazy for hot pot.
I love the name too. It's just straight to the point. Hot pot. Like
Yeah,
the pot
exactly.
is hot. It's
Like
yeah.
in Chengdu, we always have a word is that, yo, today is weekend, we should eat a hot pot. Even though today, yo, I feel sad, we should eat a hot pot. I'm happy, we should
We're
eat a hot pot.
celebrating, we're eating hot pot.
Oh, hot pot is a celebration.
So in hot pot, there's always a ton of ingredients. There's, you know, your meat, your veg. If you're in Chengdu, like all of your innards, all your tripe and all that stuff, good stuff. But my favorite part is usually like the starchy parts, like the noodles and the rice cakes and stuff like that. So I thought it'd be fun if we tried pulling our own noodles today for our hot pot feast.
I've seen a lot of videos of this. It's like an ASMR thing for me, you know, but so I'm really excited for this right here.
Have you done it before?
No.
No? Okay.
Let's get it.
Usually what we do is we start with flour, salt, water, and eggs in here. And what we want to do is actually, like, it's doing its magic right now. Yeah, I mean, you can punch it. It's doing its magic right now, and you know, it's resting. So the dough needs to rest in order to develop the gluten that allows it to stretch really far.
Oh, wow.
But, you know, it's television, so it's magic. So we already
this
rolled
is
it into some dough logs.
And these are rested.
These have been
Fully
rested.
rested, napped.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So what you want to do is kind of just like roll it out thin around the edges,
Right.
but thick towards the middle. You want to try?
It's like rolling your first blunt, you know? So
If you pull it up to the light, you'll see that there's like kind of a strip in the middle, and that is, that's good because then we know it's not going to break that easily.
Right.
So what you want to do is you want to start from kind of here, and then you just kind of pull it gently so you feel the tug of the gluten. You want to respect it. You don't want to like kind
Respect
of,
the gluten.
you know, yeah, be nice
for
to
all
it.
you gluten-free head asses over there, respect the gluten.
Exactly. How you guys doing?
I'm waiting for the TV magic to happen where we magically finish this in perfect form.
So when you get really good,
Yeah.
and I'm still in training for that, you can start doing the dancing. Have you seen the dances at HaiDiLao?
Yeah, I did see videos
Do you want to try?
where they...
Here.
I want to try?
Yeah, try
Oh,
it.
you gonna do it?
Just that.
Oh,
Just like this?
shit. Yeah, you're a
that cool?
pro.
And you're good when you don't break the noodles, right?
Right,
Like, and you
yeah.
didn't break it.
So I brought a friend of mine who is actually the noodle dancer at HaiDiLao.
HaiDiLao.
Yeah.
The noodle dancer. I want to see that on
That
a
is-
business card today.
Exactly.
Noodle
That
dancer.
is a job description.
Yeah, let's bring in the pro. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Jerry, the noodle dancer.
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going, Jerry?
Jerry,
Hi.
the noodle dancer. That's like a thing at the restaurants. Like, this is an actual thing.
Yeah, it's a job description. Like, there's a.
That is crazy.
This is him. So I don't know if you saw, but these guys are struggling a little bit. So
We need some choreography, you know, some choreography.
We need some professional
Yeah.
dance with noodles.
Exactly.
Here we go.
Oh.
All right.
Oh.
This is really mesmerizing. This is great.
Wow.
Oh,
Yo,
man.
man.
It keeps growing
I
longer.
never, yo,
That's cool.
you know how crazy it would be if you could kill somebody with a noodle? That is insane.
Let us noodle dancer turn to the noodle killer.
Yeah, noodle killer, noodle assassin.
You guys want to give it a shot?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, that's Melo's
You might want to stretch first. You don't want to get a cramp. Right. Hey.
Does that look good?
Yeah, that looks fire, bro.
Fire?
It looks like a screensaver. Like
Maybe I'm the king of this
That
year.
looks like a
Dancer with noodles. Nobody can do it like me. For me, it's just go with flow. Yeah. Yeah. You're
Look
a
at
professional, bro. You lied
That's
to
really
me.
good.
You never cook in house?
It's like an Old Town Road lasso. Thank you, man.
Cowboy.
Yeah,
Thank you, bro.
this is fire. Thank you, bro. Jerry the Noodle Dancer, ladies and gentlemen.
I should make this band for HaiDiLao.
So we got some friends coming over. I think we got the noodles down. Now it's time to actually eat. Because this is a community thing. You gotta eat as a family style. So let's go. Hot pot
I'm
it up.
hungry.
Let's
Let's
do
do
it.
it.
All right, so we made these noodles. Melo, we got some guests over here. Joji, Smokepurpp, Rich Brian.
Thanks for everyone's coming. Thank you for
Thank
having
you for
us.
having us, Mel.
Yeah, what?
It's
And
Chinese haba.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's like a family style kind of dish. Why don't you break down some of the ingredients over here?
The soup, there's a non-spicy version and then a spicy one, and as you can see, it's like boiling, it's ready to go, and all the ingredients are actually raw, so what we do is we actually cook it live on the table. And so over here we've got some tripe, we've got some fish balls, some bamboo shoots, beef, tofu, vegetables. This one over here, does anyone know what this is? That is actually pig brain, and it's thought that if you eat pig's brain, then you'll get smarter. So whatever you want more of, you eat that thing. So like if you eat fish eyes, you'll have better vision.
Why do we need to get smarter on my episode? Can a chicken tender go in there?
It's gonna.
What I like to do is make my own little bowl of sauce, so you can actually add a little bit of garlic, sesame oil, scallions, and some chili oil if you'd like an extra kick. And then, yeah, shall we dig in?
It's a real arts and crafts
Okay,
situation.
so-
over
Exactly.
So the chicken tender does not go in there.
You can if you want.
Can the nuts go in there and just grab them out?
So definitely don't grab
Grab
it
them
with your
out.
hands. This is scalding hot. All right, so shall we dig in? Let's just put whatever we want in here.
okay.
Let's
All
just
right.
go
Okay.
for it.
What was
This
this
is
again?
fish balls.
Okay.
These are little mushrooms, right?
Yes.
This is gonna take me a while. Hold on.
Can I try the tripe?
Mushrooms.
I don't know.
Pretty much whatever.
Yo, hold up. You guys are like skipping me. Wait. There you go. 2 hands.
Now would be a good time to explain that none of us use it very well either.
That almost went in my water.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh shit!
I'm
I don't
gonna need a
think
new
this
water.
one needs to go in there anymore.
No, dude, you just cleaned it. It just went in the water.
Cleanse.
It's
Oh
sterile.
my god.
Oh look, I got it. I got it.
You got it.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Let's
Let's all try something at the same time.
Oh, give me some brain though. Hold on.
Give me some brain. Hey, yeah, give me some brain.
It's time, bro.
She give me brain.
I'm
Call
gonna
it
try the
hot
beef.
pot.
That's not that adventurous.
Is that a brain?
All right, everybody got something?
Yeah, I got
let's
the pig
go.
brain.
Here we go in
Pig
solidarity. Cheers,
All right,
y'all.
let's do this.
Cheers.
Cheers. 3. That's good.
Fuck.
That's
It's
amazing.
like foie gras.
It is kind of, yeah.
It's cool.
Damn, this is
What do you
good.
think? It's cool.
It's good, right?
Is
How
that,
do you
is
think of
that,
the pig brain?
you like that?
The pig brain's interesting. I'm trying the
Interesting?
lining now.
I fuck with
The pig brain texture is so like tofu.
It's like
No,
tofu.
this
like
texture is
tofu.
fire. This is actually like a fish chicken nugget.
Yeah. That's kind of exactly what that is, low key.
Yeah.
It is really a fish chicken nugget.
Yo, Perp, is it better than you expected? Way better, dude.
End of script.
Well,
Yeah.
All right, so I actually brought with me some
Oh, shit.
Sichuan pepper. They look like, black pepper, but they're not a pepper. They are the seed of a citrus tree. And when you hear about like mala, spicy and numbing, the numbing part is caused by this. So when you eat it, there is like a weird like tingly sensation on your tongue.
This shit, you know what? This is gonna be an intense thing. I think I've
Just a
tried
couple.
this actually.
Have all of them when it rains, it pours.
It's quite a bit, huh?
And 3 seconds later, you will say, oh, fuck.
That's an intense flavor. I already feel that.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like
It's-
it's like the right side of my tongue had a stroke.
Do it.
Bougie.
I see.
You know what I'm saying?
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
I was asleep, now I'm woke. Off the peppercorn.
Huh?
It's confusing, right? It's a confusing flavor. Like
Damn.
I don't know.
I really
It
wanna
tastes
try
like
this.
holistic medicine.
Chew it.
Chew it.
Oh wait, there's nuts here.
You're chilling right now. I'm surprised.
I know, bitch.
Exactly.
You got
There you
this,
go.
bro.
There you go.
You got this.
So now I think it's time for the noodles that we made earlier.
We hand pulled
We
these
hand pulled
ourselves
these.
right
Are you
here.
serious?
Yes.
They look really good.
Yeah.
Oh, this has become one giant noodle.
Now it's a calzone.
Lasagna, in there.
Okay. Normally it would not look like that. It'd be
I feel like
individually pulled.
This is
but
gonna be terrible.
Wouldn't they break apart naturally
yeah, that's
in the?
exactly.
That's what we can hope for.
That's
They will.
They will. Dude, I like that confidence.
Yeah, I like that.
I like the texture. It's almost like, it's almost like
It's like southern
mac and
dumplings.
cheese, but like a better texture.
Now we get to celebrate with the
wanna have
real,
Oh,
noodles?
shit.
the real deal here.
Oh, shit.
It's like buffalo.
Is that the chicken tenders? Try it.
Let me get you some.
Szechuan buffalo sauce. Is it amazing?
What do you think?
Not really.
I'm not mad at it. It's definitely like you can tell it was dipped in some Asian shit.
Chicken fingers are on the table because that's just like my go-to when I don't like a food. But the reason why all of them are there because I actually like the food. No, I enjoyed it. I actually,
He didn't.
I didn't think it was gonna be good. Like, I mean, not like that. I ain't mean to, you know what I'm saying?
What the fuck, bro?
No, seriously, listen. I don't try new foods at all. Like,
That's
I promise
amazing.
I don't. But
That's
like,
amazing.
this is good.
Tight.
I like it. So
Got
that's
the
why
seal
the
of
chicken tenders are on the table.
Yo, I want to thank our guests, Joji, Smokepurpp, Rich Brian. I'm with Melo. We pulled our own noodles. Shout out to Jenny, our teacher today.
Thanks for having
Thank
me.
you. Thank you for having me.
This is your new favorite summer dish, hot pot. And don't ever eat hot pot alone. That is a lonely life.
Hey.
Yo, everybody got a piece of food?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Cheers. Thanks for coming,
cheers.
guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.